Welcome to this video on GCP, Google Cloud Platform, Fundamentals. In this video, we'll provide an overview of the basics of Google Cloud Platform, the cloud computing platform that provides a range of services and features for building, deploying, and managing applications and services. First, let's talk about what GCP is. GCP is a cloud computing platform that allows you to build, deploy, and manage applications and services through a global network of data centers. It offers a wide range of services, such as virtual machines, storage, databases, and networking, to name a few. One of the key benefits of GCP is its scalability. You can quickly and easily scale up or down your resources as needed, which allows you to be more responsive to changes in demand. Another benefit of GCP is its integration with other Google services. For example, you can use GCP to build applications that leverage Google's machine learning capabilities, such as Google Cloud Vision, speech-to-text, and natural language processing. Now, let's talk about some of the key concepts and components of GCP. First, there's the GCP console, which is the primary web-based management interface for GCP. From here, you can manage your resources, monitor your usage and performance, and configure your services. Next, there's Google Cloud Storage, which is a cloud-based storage solution that provides a range of options for storing and accessing data, including blob storage for unstructured data, file storage for SMB-based file sharing, and table storage for NoSQL-style data. Another key component of GCP is Google Cloud Compute Engine, which allows you to run virtual machines in the cloud. This is useful for running applications that require specific operating systems or software, or for testing and development purposes. There's also Google Cloud SQL, which is a cloud-based relational database service that provides a fully managed database solution, allowing you to focus on your applications rather than the underlying infrastructure. Finally, there's Google Kubernetes Engine, which is a managed container orchestration platform that allows you to run and manage Docker containers in the cloud. This is useful for deploying and scaling containerized applications and microservices. So, that's a brief overview of GCP fundamentals. We've covered what GCP is, its benefits, and some of the key components and concepts. If you're interested in learning more, be sure to check out the GCP documentation and training resources. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe for more such videos.